as ever. Even in the shadows, baby, kiss me before they turn the lights out. It's important to always show it, buddy.
Okay, tell me how you do it.
I'm happy, and that's why I'm wearing the green. I feel happy, hanging out with all my friends. I stay happy, just because it's better to smile. I feel happy, I'm gonna be for a while. Are you happy? How would you choose to show it? If you're happy, for the whole world really should know it. Being happy is easier than any emotion. Be happy, and now that your smile is growing, when I'm happy, I stand up and clap my hands. If you're happy, everybody got that chance. Yeah, I'm happy, and sometimes I laugh out loud. Being happy is a fountain.
Palun postitage need videod kuhugi üles.